best way to attach your DA pad, sanding pad, to an actual setup here, where it's been so ground down, it's just old. Doesn't want to catch anymore, won't hold. Yeah, it's worn down a lot. Chunks are taken out of it. Best way to get this to attach and to just stay on, pretty simple actually. Let's see here. This is what I do. Now this is with knowing that you're gonna have to replace the pad. Knowing you're gonna get another one. Put you some good solid dabs of super glue on it. Maybe one more. And what it'll do is it'll hold it just long enough to put the other pad on. Get you some good sanding done. And then you could just take it back off. And then, I mean, it left a small piece, but that's about it. Press down for a few seconds and you're good to go. Quick tip. Apartment living. It works. Comes right back off. Doesn't hold it on too long. And I will be replacing the actual pad itself, so not too bad, not too bad.